Being on the Now Reach platform enables the use of multiple devices to make and receive calls. When you are connected on a call using your softphone, you can choose to move the call between your devices. To do this, use the drop-down box next to Move this call to and select the device you would like to move the call to, noting you will only see available and logged-in devices. In this example, I am connected on the call using the softphone on my computer, and I am going to select to move the call to my handset labelled Desk Phone Mytel 6940. When I select the Move Call button, the call will ring once on the device I selected, then automatically move and connect the call. If you are connected on a call on your handset or your mobile application, it will appear in your softphone application under the Calls tab. To move the call to your softphone, select Softphone Reach Desktop from the drop-down options. Then click on the Move Call button. Your softphone will ring once and then automatically move and connect the call.